You see, basically, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar is a blessing to this country. Abnormal situation demand abnormal instruments. In times of war, it would be idiotic and very stupid to use Boy Scouts to fight a war. Times of war, you need generals, you need people military experience, you need people with the maturity and egalitarian posture that it takes to fight a war. So Nigeria, as we are speaking right now, we have never been this divided in the history of this country. Not even during the Civil War is this country as divided as it is now. You need now a fatherly figure who have the capacity and capability to unite this country. Because all the agitations for injustice is as a result of disunity. It is injustice that is responsible for the disunity of this country. So in special times like this, like I said, abnormal situation demand abnormal instruments. You need only one man who can unify this country. And Atiku Abubakar have demonstrated time and time again that he's a detribalised Nigerian, he's not a religious boycott. His friends, his very close friends, are even not from his immediate zone of this country.
So you have countlessly talked about war situation. Is Nigeria at war?
We are even beyond a war situation. Because when hunger is pervasive, when poverty is ravaging, when unemployment is on the increase, when the prices of goods and commodity is not attainable to the common man, as I speak with you, the middle class have been completely eroded. There's no longer middle class in this country. Diesel is being sold for 800 naira. Kerosene that is supposed to be a substance of the masses is 600 naira per liter. So we are beyond a war situation. We are outrageously in a calamitous situation. And only a man with a heart of gold, only a man who can unify this country, only a man that is indoctrinated and imbibed with economic rudiments can revive this country. You cannot be talking of economy where there is war. Nigeria is at war, and all we need is a man who can unite this country. And the only detribalized Nigerian right now that can unify this country is Atiku Abubakar.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.